Okay, so this is my top of a torch, and uh, the base part, the little bit of a blue part, would be done the same way, just kind of added at the base there. And then, of course, sparks would be done with either Niagara or Cascade. And I've got a bunch of effects here, elements. I can choose wind direction, how much wind intensity I want. You can see it's like leaning a little bit. And of course, this could be hooked up with a rig system so that it would follow and trail behind. So it's basically just a straight up material with static textures that are being moved around, a little bit of creative um, methods of kind of blending them. And as you can see, it's viewable from all angles, so it doesn't have to transition between different pre-rendered content or anything like that. It's just these static textures um, and a tube. So yeah, it's completely possible to do this directly inside of Unreal, as opposed to having to come up with some really expensive solution.